Hello and welcome to ShoutL. In this video, we will show you just how easy it is to make and publish your brand's audio and digital assets across multiple platforms in just a few clicks. First of all, log in or sign up for a new account on ShoutL. You can even use your Google ID for an easy and secure login. Once you're in, you'll see a form asking for all sorts of information about your campaign. Do your best here to explain the nature of your ad and industry, especially all the key things you'd like for your audience to take away from your ad, along with any special offers, of course. Click Generate when you're ready, and then sit back and relax as ShoutL gets to work on your new ad. In the meantime, you'll be able to see your prompts and some placeholder assets. Once your ad is ready, you'll be able to review the audio, image, and video of your ad.
Welcome to Novelty, a legacy bakery in the heart of Champura.
Since 1940, we've been surprising taste buds with our scrumptious sandwiches and palatable patties.
If you'd like to generate a new one, you'd need to redo the last step again. Or proceed ahead to choose an appropriate background music, choose different voices, and make many minor adjustments to your ad. You can even generate the changes you make in real time, giving you a greater level of control over your final ad. In the next step, you may introduce your logo and edit the banner of your ad using our Banner Editor guide. Once you're satisfied with your ad assets, you can go ahead and create a new campaign by clicking the Start Campaign button. At this point, you can choose the landing page for your ad, add target locations, preview channels, and choose a budget and duration for your campaign. Once you're done with all that, the next step is to make a payment and publish your ad for the world to hear and see. We hope this guide will help you in designing and running a successful audio ad campaign with ShoutL. For any further clarifications, you can always refer to our FAQ or reach out to us on email info@shoutl.com. Have fun being heard with ShoutL.